A pre-owned 2016 Ram 2500 Laramie. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 188,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.